So like I was saying on the previous video, the areas that we're targeting down over here, now that we have, before and afters, and I can actually show you guys the befores and afters, and I actually walked you guys through the whole trade inside that free Telegram that you'll be able to go ahead and see on the link down below on the channel, right? Go ahead and click the link down below so that way you can actually have access to that free Telegram. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button. Let me know what are your thoughts on this video so far, what you're liking, so that way I can go ahead and continue on putting more videos like this out from you from beginning to end, so that way you guys can go ahead and learn how it is that you can maintain an overall stable entry all the way to your final TP. Okay, so now that we were able to go ahead and go from the weekly to the daily, on the daily time frame, right now we have some very great price action. We have a very good three bearish candle variation right here that continue on giving us that overall certainty of market continue going to downside. Then over here, we continue on having more price action to the bearish side. And this right here, we can see another beautiful, beautiful evening star right here created to continue on potentially moving down. Now you may ask, Mauricio, why is your stop loss? Sorry, why is your stop loss over here so small of 13 pips, right? The reason why was because I looked at this on the very smaller time frame, which we were able to go ahead and identify on the 15 and 5-minute time frame. Now, in these areas, we can go ahead and start identifying certain criteria that I want to be paying attention to as points of interest. And these areas were significant to the past, where we can see that we had to create some very nice divergence right here, very, very nice divergence that you guys can see I still have it marked up. And I was expecting for market to move up into the zone and then move down. And as you guys can see, I have it marked up since February 21st. And this did not happen until later on that day, but it took a couple hours, right? This was around 9, and then the moment that happened, it was a day later. Sorry about that. It was a day later that had happened. So when it comes to that scenario, patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue, and as you guys can see, the market clearly played out into our points of interest that we were paying attention to. Overall, more certainty right here when it creates some divergence and created some nice equal highs right here as well. So therefore, market had came to the upside, took this level right here of further entry, and then moved to the downside. Now, area to have your stop loss to break even, as soon as I saw it break liquidity, which is right here, right when I saw market break liquidity, that bearish next candle right here, that's when I moved this stop loss to break even and left it to a risk-free trade. And as you guys can see, the first overall move that I was expecting was a 1 to 11 risk reward, which was right here. Very, very nice 1 to 11 risk reward. When I went ahead and did the video for YouTube, market was already moving, so therefore I had to go ahead and move my entry a little bit lower with obviously same stop loss, and that stop loss would have gone ahead and give us a little bit more because I was a little bit late on this entry over here. So as you guys can see, the full breakdown of a 100K day trading Forex. It's amazing. It's amazing how much income you can potentially create with trading. Now, just before I get off, I want to let you guys know this was not my income that was being traded. This was from a very, very good friend of mine, which I was able to go ahead and manage for him. I was able to go ahead and allocate a couple of trades, and we were able to go ahead and come with some agreement as far as potentially later on in the future doing business, right? But for right now, what it did help me out with, it helped me out to see the possibilities of the numbers I'm able to create in the near future. So again, this right here opened my overall mind, and it changed my paradigm as far as what the possibilities are of trading Forex on big scales of numbers. Okay, by no means that income was mine. However, it did open my mind a lot more and change the paradigm as far as where I was before to where now I can potentially go into. So again, the sky's the limit. If you like this video, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what are your thoughts, and let me know if you want to go a little bit more in depth on this video, and I will do so for you guys. With that said, I'll see you guys next time. Have a great one. Bye-bye.